Justin, the court has dismissed the suit challenging TINUBU over emergency rule in Rivers State. So this was what I was talking about just a few moments ago. So James Omotosho has dismissed the suit challenging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's proclamation of a state of emergency. Wow. Wow, that's another win for Tinubu. That's another freaking win for Tinubu. The emergency declaration suspended Governor Fubara, yeah? And then the member of the State House of Assembly members. That's fine. So there was a suit filed by Belema Bridge and 4 others. The plaintiff argued that the action violated their rights. However, delivering judgment, Justice Omotosho ruled that the plaintiff lacked the legal capacity to institute the case, noting that only the Supreme Court could determine such matters. The judge further held that the plaintiff neither proved that they were members of the state executive or legislature nor suffered any injury beyond that of the other resident. According to the ruling, the plaintiff also failed to obtain consent of the state attorney general before filing the suit. Wow. So it's not as if the justice was saying that was wrong. He was just saying that he doesn't have the capacity to decide. So is he going to actually try to appeal or write the Supreme Court to take up that case? So again, the court is not saying that Tinubu was wrong or right. The court is just saying, I'm not going to decide on this case. So that's it. So to me, I would say it's a win for the presidency. Yeah. This is one of the most divisive issue or controversial issue in this past 6 months, because both school of thoughts can argue for or against, and it is what it is. So there's this case also where Niger State governor said that they should be submitting their sermon for approval. Everyone going to sermon on Friday should bring a scripture for review. With those words, during a TVC interview, Governor Umar Bango of Niger State introduced a policy that has stirred heated debate across the state. I don't think you should be submitting your stuff. You have freedom of speech. The only thing is that if your freedom of speech is causing terrorism or is causing agitation, then the state should, within their powers, call you to order or sue you. But for you to be submitting your sermon to the governor, you're wasting public fund to actually go after leaders where you should be going after bandits and culprits. So that doesn't even make sense at all. Why would I submit my sermon to you as a governor for you to approve? That's the problem. Most of these governors don't even understand what they're doing. But it is what it is.